The journey to becoming skilled professionals in the hospitality and tourism industry is not confined to the walls of a classroom. This was evident when we, the fourth-year Hospitality Management and Tourism Management students, embarked on an enriching experience to Compass Maritime Training Center in Silang, Cavite for our seafarers basic training. It was opportunity to equip ourselves with essential survival skills and gain a deeper understanding of safety measures at sea, a critical component of working in international cruise ships or maritime settings. The program was structured into several key modules: elementary first aid, firefighting, swimming, and floating techniques, and the proper use of life vests. Each component was meticulously designed to prepare us for real-life emergencies. Our first session was elementary first aid, where we learned life-saving techniques such as CPR, wound management, and handling medical emergencies. Under the guidance of our instructors, we practiced these skills on training mannequins. It was a hands-on experience that taught us the importance of staying calm and composed during emergencies. Knowing that these skills could one day save a life was both humbling and empowering. Next was firefighting, a module that challenged both our physical and mental strength. Dressed in full firefighting gear, we were taught how to operate fire extinguishers, contain fires, and safely evacuate from hazardous situations. The adrenaline rush of putting out a simulated fire brought home the reality of maritime safety, highlighting the importance of teamwork and quick decision-making. The most anticipated part of the training was the swimming and floating techniques. For some, it was their first time confronting deep water, but our instructors were patient and supportive, ensuring that everyone felt safe. We learned how to stay afloat, properly use life vests, and navigate the water in case of an emergency at sea. As we floated together, it became clear that trust and unity are crucial in surviving maritime challenges. The culmination of our training left us with a sense of accomplishment and readiness. Beyond the skills we acquired, the experience fostered a deeper sense of camaraderie among us. We learned to rely on one another, to communicate effectively, and to act decisively under pressure, qualities that will serve us not only in our careers but also in life. As we left Silang, we carried with us not only certificates but also valuable lessons that would forever shape our professional path. This experience reminded us that preparedness and resilience are essential, especially in an industry that demands excellence and adaptability. The journey to Compass Maritime was not just about meeting requirements. It was about building a foundation of confidence and competence for the future.